Hello and welcome. Come on in. This is Caldera Creative Creations. I make wreaths for holidays, and I'm glad you guys are here because I got a spectacular one going on. We are working with reindeer. We are working some spectacular greenery. We got some red florals, and we got some lavender. We also got these little flowers. We got some blingy blingy shimmery berries. We also got a ribbon. Okay, let's get this started. First things first, hope everybody is all happy and holly these holiday seasons right now. Let's just be happy and joyful. Look at how beautiful this is. Just mix it with the colors. Wow, beautiful, huh? I think I'm gonna hold up on that. Some breed right there. We're gonna get this one way. So hold up. Wow. Here, I let it hang out. Beautiful. Let's get some more of this greenery up in here. Wow. Got some place flowers. Beautiful. Some of this. Wow. Okay, let's work on this side. Remember now, step back and visualize and see what you're working with. Wow. It's good. Looking good, looking good. So balance your items out. I'm going to try to. Woohoo, look at that. I think I got a little too much on this side. Right there. Yeah, okay. We're going to get some of these beautiful berries in there so we can balance it out with the color of the shimmery. Mr. Reindeer right there. Oh my, look at this. How gorgeous. I'm going to get this right here. Beautiful. And then one more up here. And I think we got it, everybody. Wow. Let's see if we're going to pin this up then. Let's let you guys visualize better with everything right there with the ribbon. Okay, let me adjust my camera. We'll get this beauty. See. Okay, how's that looking? Kind of balance this out. Beautiful. I think I'm going to put these up a little more. Right there. Get this guy up over here. Like that. And attach there. Hook this one up a little bit. That and there. How we go? There we go. Then let's get our gorgeous ribbon up here. I think we got it. Oh, bam. Look at that. Oh, how gorgeous. Wow. Let me step back and visualize. Check this out. Ooh, look at that. Pretty good, huh? Once again, everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Happy holidays. Much peace and happy and laughter from Caldera Creation. Once again, if you got any inspiration or ideas, subscribe to my channel. Until then, let's keep going on this journey. Merry Christmas. And thank you. See ya.